Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the basic gates. So, the first gate that we're going to look at is the OR gate. We call this A, we call this B, and we want to figure out how to write a strand of logic that's equivalent to A or B. Well, all we need to do is connect them, because A turns on both of them, as does B. Now you might notice that when we turn on B, it actually goes all the way around and back. This can sometimes be a bad thing, so we can fix that by putting a repeater here. It adds delay, but it might be helpful. Okay, the next gate we're going to build is NOT. If I have one thing and I want to take the inverse of it, it's sufficient to just NOT the input using a torch. Because when the torch is powered, it turns off, and when the torch is not powered, it turns on. Great. These are the two primitive gates in Minecraft. So the question is, how can I make other things out of these? Well, you've already seen that De Morgan's lets us construct AND out of just ORs and NOTs, which we have. So let's do that. We'll take A and B, and first we'll not A and we'll not B. Oh boy. Not A, not B. Then we'll OR them together, and then we'll not them. A nor B. Not A nor not B. You might notice that this is equivalent to just going ahead and making something a little bit more compact, like this. Now, you can also build this vertically, like so. You can play with this to make it your own. Okay, how about XOR? Well, we know that if we take, sorry, it's late right now. If we take A, it would take not A, and then OR it. Basically, if we do A and not A and B, and OR it with B and not A and B, then we have XOR. So let's do that. This is A and not A or B, and B and not A or B. Turn one on, it turns on. Turn both on, it turns off. Cool. This wraps up the video on basic logic gates.